Indonesia continues to improve its education system and institution, yet a serious issue remains. In just the first 3 months of 2026, the Indonesia Network for Education Monitoring (JPPI) recorded 233 cases of violence and educational environments, with higher education contributing around 11%, largely dominated by sexual and physical violence. On the other hand, Indonesia has shown its commitment to creating safe and just environments through various regulations, including the Law on Sexual Violent Crimes and Ministerial Regulation number 30 of 21. But the question is, are these efforts totally enough to ensure that our campuses are safe spaces? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Judges, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Muhammad Azkaparila Ripin, law student and a proud representative of the outstanding student from Sekolah Tinggi Hukum Galunggung Tasikmalaya. As a law student, I believe a campus is not only a place to gain knowledge, but also a space that must guarantee safety, dignity, and justice. But today, we must ask, is our campus totally safe? This is where Sustainable Development Goal number 16 becomes relevant, calling for peace, justice, and strong institutions that protect, not ignore. Ladies and gentlemen, this issue is not just about numbers, it reflects a system that is not yet fully able to protect, where some places remain unheard. Behind every kiss, there is a story, and behind every silence, there is fear. This is not progress, this is a warning. So, it's bring me here as a law student, as a part of the younger generation, to say that our concern is not only about education, but also about justice within it. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to offer is a three-part approach. First, strengthening institutional accountability. Institutions must go beyond formality. Satgas PPKS be independent, transparent, and thoroughly protects victims. Second, building a safe and responsive system. Justice must be accessible, and every report handled with fairness, confidentiality, and conscientiousness. Third, empowering students as agents of change. Change comes from us by creating safe spaces, rejecting victim blaming, and having the courage to speak up. Ladies and gentlemen, if we ignore this issue, victims will suffer in silence, perpetrators will feel protected, and justice will fit into a promise. We have the power to change that. So, if we remain silent, what access do we have? Being a student is not just about earning degree, but about having the courage to care, ask, and to uphold justice. Because justice will not stand on its own. It needs people like us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.